So here's how to add social media links on your Twitch channel. So first you want to open your browser and then head to twitch.tv and make sure you're logged into your Twitch account. Then you want to press on your profile logo and then click on channel. Now you want to scroll down and click on customize channel, and that should bring you to the settings section. Make sure channel is selected and then scroll down to the see social links. Now you should add your links. For example, you can type a title here, for example, Instagram, and then paste your Instagram link in this. So for example, instagram.com/myig, and then you want to press add, and the URL should start with HTTPS. Then you press add again, and that should add the Instagram to your page or your Twitch channel. And you can see the preview in this list. So if you click on it, it should take you to your Instagram. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.